Hey guys, I've got this 2020 F250 and I'm using this truck to demonstrate how to install Ford's OEM wheel well liners. So the kit comes with the two liners and they are directional. So if you look at the top, you can see this one's printed RH for right hand side. This one you can see LH for left hand side. And it also comes with the hardware needed. So there are a total of 6 clips, 6 screws, and 6 of these plastic pieces that go in. So to start with, we're going to install the clips, 3 per side, and they get inserted into the oval shaped parts on the bed. So there's one that pops in right there, another one pops in right there, and the final one goes down in here. At this point, we can install the liner. With the 3 clips installed, we can now put the liner in position. You don't have to jack up the truck or take the wheel off to do this. So the liner has a piece that folds down, and we've got to get this hooked up on the back side of the fender here. I'm going to start at the top. So the liner's clicked in, and it's actually holding in pretty well, even though I haven't put any hardware in. So now what we can do is we can thread in the 3 screws into the clips. And there are 3 push pins that go into these holes here. Those just go in. You may have to hammer them in pretty good. So it's that easy. Just got to tighten the screws and we're done. The final step is for me to tighten the 3 screws, and it's a 7mm. So the truck now looks great with the liners installed. Let's move in closer and we can see how well everything is protected. Once I snapped it into position, it was lined up perfectly, and I believe it would hold there pretty well even without fasteners. Obviously you do want to install the fasteners, but it's just a testament to how good of a fit it is when you can pop something into place and all of the holes are already lined up. And here I'll show you the view of the wheel well without the liner installed. Really my main concern was that bees or maybe birds would, nest in these frame rail things, these crossbars. I don't know what you call them. And I also imagine that mud and dirt would get caked into this seam here. I suspect that a wheel well liner will cut down on the road noise, especially when driving on rocky or gravelly roads. Prior to installing the liners, I could definitely hear different things in the road flying up off the tire and hitting the bed of the truck. I'll show you the install again on the passenger side. So first, look at the liner. There's a curved piece on the outside where it hooks down. And that has to hook on the back side of the fender. So what I do is, starting at the top, I just pull it up and position it back there. And then working my way outwards, I push up on it and lift up on the back as well. And that's it. And as you can see, again, just like on the driver's side, all of the holes are pretty much perfectly lined up for the hardware installation. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, any advice about installing a wheel well liner on your F250.